Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make another account on Roblox. Guys, as you know, this is my account and I may show you in the previous video about how to make that. But if you want to make another one, actually guys, it's very easy to do that because you can always make a new account under like 2 or 3 accounts. If you are under like 13 or something like that, you can always make that because that account loads as the ghost account. If you want to make another one and have that operating one for you, the Roblox account, you can totally do that. You have to go to Microsoft Store. So in the type search, you can type Microsoft Store and it will come over there. So you just have to click over there and you will come to this one. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to search for Roblox here. As you can see, the Roblox, the first one you have, just click on it. All right, so once you do that, they'll ask you to download I have already downloaded it. So as you can see the product is all installed, and if I do play, it will play, but for you it won't be like this. You have to download that. So in order to do that, you just click on it, download, install. It will be installed. So once you have done that, you just have to go to play, and once you do that, play this thing will pop up, which means that you can sign in to your account. All right, you just have to tell your birthday. Like, let's suppose I just give like my birthday here. All right, then I have to tell the username. For instance, I do. All right, so I selected Overlook Bay Online and I'll set up a password. You just have to do your password 2 times. And once you do that, you have to select your gender. Once you do that, they'll ask you to sign up. So right now, I'm going to do the sign up. So I'm already inside. So this way, to make another account, and it's very easy. But if you want to have like an email attached to it, you can definitely do that. But right now there's no email, no phone attached to this, so you can add your email, phone, all of this stuff here. And there, if you want some security, if you want to account pin your hair and device billing, all this stuff. So in case your password is lost, you can add your email here and then you can recover to your email. So this is also a way to do it, but I suggest to put your username and password on a very secure page or Google Doc or something like that. So here, this is my new character here. So you can change your avatar from here and all of this stuff. You can find it all of this creation and all of that stuff here. So this is a way to make another account on Roblox. So right now, if I want to play 2 games, I can easily do that. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.